Hello, hello. It's Friday morning, April 23rd, 2021. It's our semi-monthly treat with Norm Winski. Norm, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Jeff. I thought I would start out by doing a quick review of what we talked about last time. I made some forecasts about what was coming up there around the middle of April, and I was there I believe on the 9th. And that weekend we had a new moon, and then we had some other things the following weekend. So let's take a look. So AC means after the close. That's what all these say. It means like overnight or over a weekend. We had a new moon on the 9th weekend in Aries, and anytime we have a moon, full moon, new moon, I like to say we round up the usual suspects, which are your financials, grains, and precious metals. And then the following weekend, we had a triple whammy on the U.S. natal chart. What's that? We take a snapshot where the planets were when our country was founded back on the 4th of July, 1776, and compare where the planets are now. And if things line up, then we have something to look at. And we have three whacks to the U.S. chart there that weekend for a triple change in trend window. So what do? We look at the U.S. stocks, T-bonds, and U.S. dollars for that sort of thing. And one of the exceptional rules, if Neptune is involved, then we can also add oil because oil is Neptune. All right, looking at our first thing for the moon. There's your corn. There's our moon window over the 9th weekend. We'll be looking to do something possibly on the opening of Monday the 12th. And you can see we made a little short-term top there on the corn. I had a little pullback low for maybe about 10 cents. That's $500 if you're not familiar with corn. So that was not a bad day. Beans are going kind of sideways, so do nothing there. That's a yellow bar, means you're going to do nothing when it's sideways because it's Newton's law. For every action is an opposite equal reaction, and the opposite of sideways means more sideways. Here's wheat. Wheat made a little top there right on the moon. Had a little pullback for about 10 cents. That's $500 in about a day. Here's crude oil. It went up. We were 1 day early, not too far from the top. It popped up a little higher the next day and then came down really nicely, about 5-6 handles. Yeah, looks like that's about, let's say 4 handles for that'd be about $4,000. Here's your silver. Silver was kind of confusing, kind of close to that top, but 1 day too late. And we had it 1 day later, we would have had a great bottom. So I kind of put that as a miss with a red arrow. Here's your gold. Gold is a little clearer. And so it was coming down there into our opening of the 12th window with the moon. And that was close to the next day. We made a slightly lower low and then up and away. So that was okay on the gold. Here's your S&P. S&P didn't do much at the moon, kind of went sideways, so that's a miss. But then we got to the 16th weekend, and with our triple whammy on the U.S. there, and that was a pretty good top there, lasted for several days. I think we pulled back about 70, 60, 70, about 50 handles or so, So there we go. Here's your T-bonds. Going sideways on the moon, but with a triple whammy on the U.S. chart, that kind of worked out there. We have a triple top here for the day after the high, and so if you with the rally previously, if you sold that, you would have had a nice 1 day whack on the bonds, and so every handle on the bonds is worth $1,000. So I think you made over $1,000 there. And here's your the dollar. Didn't like our stuff at all. It went sideways, and so we got 2 yellow windows there. There were 2 nothing windows. Here's the pound. The pound did nicely with the moon there. We are right near the lows on the new moon. And here's your euro going sideways, and there's your yen going sideways. And so if you add up all the green arrows and all the red arrows, I had 11 winners, 2 misses out of 13 for 84.62%. Now here's what's coming up. The reason I asked Jeff to come on the show is because Monday, Tuesday window is huge. And I don't say that lightly. We have starting out, we're going to start out with an appetizer with Jupiter to the U.S. this chart, but then it gets really that afternoon, Monday afternoon, and Monday night, we have a combination of multiple big cycles. Mercury is going to be our perihelion. That's Mercury going around the sun 88 days. There's a point because it's elliptical where it's closest, and as far as the perihelion gets closest, that'll be Monday night. But wait, that's not all. Like they say on late night TV, you also have a full moon, and not just any full moon. You have the full moon at perigee. That only occurs every 14 months, and that's when the moon is at its closest. And also at a full moon, when those combine, that's called a syzygy or supermoon. And that's usually, often the markets have a big reaction to that. And there you go, we're going to be looking at your financial grains, precious metals, and because it'll be in the sign of Scorpio, we got the special watch for cocoa, hogs, and T-bonds. And then the morning, Tuesday morning, one of my top things is when the planets go direct or retrograde. That's due to the rolling motion of the Earth. It looks like the planets stop their motion in reverse direction. And that's one of my top things, and that's occurring right on top of the full moon at perigee. And there you have Pluto doing that, and that Pluto is your cocoa, your hogs, and your bonds. And because in Capricorn, we're looking at coffee too, and of course the stocks respond to just about everything. So there's the charts for that I didn't have before. So you need to look at these markets like late Monday, Tuesday to see if they've got to any extreme or looking for an extreme for the market to reverse. Okay, their coffee's looking interesting. It's been going up, up, up. If it continues to do that into Monday, late Monday, early Tuesday, then you'll be looking for a possible reversal in the coffee, and the hogs are kind of in the middle, cocoa's kind of in the middle, so those markets kind of need to get off the dime there and move to an extreme for us to get interested. Okay, how do you get a hold of Norm? Okay, I got to learn how to day trade by this stuff. By the way, this is very simple. It looks complicated, but it's the simplest system out there is, because I don't use any moving averages. I don't have any oscillators. You don't have to predict the price. I learned this from Gabe that the key times give you the key prices. That's how simple. It's all they need to know is when the key time is, and you got the key price, and based on simple price action, you decide whether you're going to buy or sell. So get a hold of me if you qualify with a U.S. You have to have a U.S. futures account for me to help you. I have a free class the first week of each month. Get a hold of me. I also do the swing trading, and I have a letter for that. And if you decide you want to sign up for that, then I have a 6-hour class. Teach you all the advanced technical analysis. You learn GAN, you learn advanced Fibonacci, fractals, all kinds of neat things to take you from kindergarten technical analysis to graduate school in 6 hours. Okay, so there you go. So I have about 50 years of market experience, and I'm a former Chicago floor trader. So looking forward to helping some of your folks, Jeff. Everybody have a great weekend.
Norm, that's back to your standard average of 80% plus, and all this stuff is free. You can't beat the average, and you can't beat the price. Norm, we'll see you back in a couple of weeks, okay?
All right, thanks a lot, Jeff.
Okay, bye.